Hours after arrest, Donald Trump attacks Manhattan District Attorney in Mar-a-Lago speech. Washington, hours after being arraigned in a New York courtroom, former President Donald Trump used a speech to supporters at his Mar-a-Lago estate to lash out at New York prosecutor Alvin Bragg and other prosecutors who are investigating him. "I never thought anything like this could happen in America," Trump told the crowd gathered in Palm Beach, Florida. Trump is facing 34 felony counts in the New York case, becoming the first-ever former president to face criminal charges. Trump's 27-minute speech amounted to a revamping of a presidential campaign while bracing voters for the possibility that he could indict in cases out of Atlanta and Washington, D.C. The attacks on Bragg and other prosecutors came after the judge in New York warned Trump against rhetoric that could incite threats and violence against public officials. Trump isn't just the first former president to be indicted, he's the first former president to seek the office again while awaiting trial, and it could be a long wait and more than one trial. Trump's next scheduled court date in New York isn't until December 4th. That means a trial might not start until January, on the cusp of the 2024 Republican presidential nominating process. Trump could be juggling other court cases by then. The former president remains under investigation by prosecutors in Atlanta and Washington, D.C., over efforts to overturn the 2020 election, holding on to classified documents after leaving office, and the insurrection by supporters on January 6, 2021. In his remarks at Mar-a-Lago, Trump described the various investigations as attempts to thwart his presidential campaign. Trump made false claims about the investigations and claimed without evidence that he is being singled out for political reasons. He reserved special venom for Bragg, who led the investigation. Trump attacked Bragg's family, including his wife and daughter. At one point, Trump called Bragg a local failed district attorney, who at one point had qualms about bringing a case against a former president. Trump also had harsh words for Atlanta prosecutor Fani Willis and Justice Department Special Counsel Jack Smith, who is heading up the documents and January 6 investigations. The speech also featured standard campaign hits on President Joe Biden and his administration, from inflation to Russia policy. Mar-a-Lago members and Trump supporters frequently cheered and clapped as the ex-president attacked prosecutors and political opponents. Before Trump's appearance, the public address system played the standard campaign rally soundtrack, from Elvis Presley's Suspicious Minds to Johnny Cash's Ring of Fire to Lee Greenwood's God Bless the USA.